In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download audio file attachments and listen to them using any audio player or editor. This is a fairly straightforward process, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can easily follow along and access your audio files without any issues. Let's start by opening the submissions that contain the audio file attachments you need. Typically, you will find these in your email or perhaps a cloud storage service you use. Make sure you have access, or if it's an online form, log in to the relevant platform. Once you have located the submission or file attachments, take a moment to double check that you have permission to download and use these audio files. It's always a good practice to respect any property rights or restrictions associated with the files. Next, let's proceed to download the audio file attachments. Click on the attachment icon or link, which will usually be highlighted or indicated by a paperclip symbol in emails or an otherwise distinct marker in file listings. When you click it, you'll often see a prompt to save the file. Choose a directory on your computer where you'd like the file to be saved. Maintaining a well-organized file system can be really beneficial for quick access later on, so you might want to designate a specific folder for audio files if you haven't done so already. Now that you've downloaded the files successfully, it's time to access and listen to them using an audio player. Most computers come equipped with a default audio player, but if you have a preferred software or app, feel free to use that instead. Locate the downloaded file on your computer. If you followed my earlier advice and have a designated folder, this should be relatively simple. Click on the file to open it with your default audio player. If it doesn't open automatically, right-click on the file and choose Open With, then select the audio player or editor you'd like to use. This step is crucial as it ensures the file is aligned correctly with your chosen software for playback. Once the file is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the playback controls. Typically, you'll find options to play, pause, stop, and skip tracks. Some advanced players even offer features like playback speed adjustments, which can be useful if you're reviewing the file for specific information or transcription purposes. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded and accessed your audio file attachments. Should you wish to edit or further manipulate these files, explore the features of your chosen audio software, as most programs offer a range of useful tools. Remember, practice